As the cutting tool of the pipe jacking machine, the cutter head and tools play an extremely important role in the pipe jacking process. The pipe jacking machine tools are mainly divided into two categories. One type is cutting tools, which only rotate with the cutter head during jacking process to achieve cutting and excavation of the tunnel face. The other type is rolling tools. When the cutter head rotates, it also rotates around its own cutter axis. Generally, cutting tools are suitable for soft soil and soft rock formations, while rolling tools are suitable for medium-hard and hard rock formations. Cutting tools use their blades to exert pressure on soft soil and soft rock, including center fishtail cutters, scrapers, advance cutters, shell cutters, overcutters, etc. The fishtail cutter scrapes the soil in the center of the cutter head before other tools, loosening the stratum and making it easier for other tools to cut. The scraper is installed on the arc-shaped periphery of the cutter head, which can cut soft soil and soft rock, and clean and scrape the muck. The advance cutter cuts before other cutting tools and is suitable for loose strata to improve soil fluidity. It also cleans the soil and debris at the bottom of the cutter head to improve excavation efficiency. The overcutter is used to adjust the direction of the machine body. The application of this kind of knife needs to be combined with the specific functions of the pipe jacking machine. Rolling tools are crushing tools that use the blade to roll rocks. It is commonly used for tunneling in various types of soft and hard rock as well as sand and gravel formations. Roller cutters are divided into single-edged, double-edged and multi-edged. Single-edged roller cutters are generally installed when the disc space is large. They have strong rock-breaking capabilities and are mainly used for hard rock excavation. Double-edged roller cutters are generally installed in the center of the cutter head, or when the disc space is small. The multi-edged roller cutter is installed in the center of the cutter head, or replaces the profiling cutter, and is suitable for soft and hard rock excavation. In short, the pipe jacking boring machine will encounter various strata during underground advancement. How to choose cutter head and tools? First of all, you must consider the geological applicable conditions of the cutter head. Whether the cutter layout and cutter shape are suitable for the current engineering geological conditions directly affects the cutting effect of the tunnel boring machine, the status of excavating or slag excavation speed, construction quality, and cost consumption.